Let me show you how we can copy and paste on Samsung Galaxy S26. It is pretty straightforward. If you find a text that you want to copy, usually you can press and hold your finger on that phrase in order to select it. You can also find the select all option in case you want to select the whole text that you can see on the screen. You can also, while pressing and holding, you can start dragging your finger around in order to adjust what should be selected. And if you select just one phrase, you can use these blue icons that we have in the bottom left and bottom right corner in order to extend the selected area as well. Now, once you select the text that you want to copy, as you can see here, we have the copy option, and there we go. Then once you want to paste it, you need to open your keyboard, and usually you can see the copied phrase straight away at the top of the keyboard. So usually you can just tap over here and then it's pasted right away. If you don't see it in here, for example, for some reason, then you can tap on the clipboard icon, which is here at the top, and then you can find the text, so you can paste it over here by tapping on it. Or sometimes you can also press and hold your finger without the keyboard even. You can, most of the time, press and hold your finger in here, and then we have the paste option or paste as plain text, and this works too. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.